Hey guys, this is Vic from Grasping the Market and welcome to our market briefing. Today we had no change on the larger time frame as we started the week trading within the previous week's range. However, on the daily, we saw a little bit of a continuation from Friday's sentiment, although towards the close there was a little bit of pressure, but nonetheless holding the gains to the upside and above this key 2940 area. Now, the striking thing on the market profile is that this area over here, 34.25, which is exactly the low of the day, we open below that and immediately push higher towards the upper two distributions from Friday and had a very prominent POC overnight there. But look, we tested this area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 periods have the low in that vicinity. That was before the regular trading hours open, and then on the 8 period we tested there, and towards the close we close after testing that. So this area so far is providing a lot of support, but going through and attempting higher and failing higher and coming back so many times, I would be like concerned. And even if you start moving up, this is a very technically traded area, so that reduces the odds of a lot of upside. But nonetheless, you've seen recently how anything can happen in this market because one piece of news can propel the market in a strong way. So I would expect this area to be, I would expect the market to trade below this level in the near future. However, that doesn't stop the market from going up. But if it goes up, I'll keep this in the radar because as soon as I see important signs of weakness to the upside, I'll keep this in mind, and that will be a short opportunity that I will be looking at. Now, having said that, you can see we said on the briefing that the focus was on the upper two distributions, and that's exactly where the value was located for the day. So in the overall scheme, there was higher value, the upper two distributions were validated, and there was extension. But we failed twice. Notice here how the EF periods fail above Friday's high, and then towards the late in the session, we had a piece of news that created this upside, but it was immediately rejected. So we have a double rejection from Friday's high and a very weak close. So I would say that there is strong evidence that the rally is finding resistance, and what we could see now is the market attempting to find balance in the vicinity of this activity here ahead of the trade talks at the end of the week. So focus for tomorrow is to assess continuation from the late move, which was lower. Obviously, it is not very well defined. You traded the whole range morning, afternoon. So I will focus on the whole value and range. So focus will be on value development relative to today's and very important levels. If I take this out of the way, my focus would be in this particular level over here, the 34.25. If I see acceptance below that level, that will denote change from today. That will signal a market finding at least short-term balance because we took the Friday high and now we're taking the Monday's low back to back. So that will be change. If you get acceptance within, that's the market in short-term balance. Obviously, acceptance above facilitates continuation, but I would say that I think that the market needs to to trade lower before going further. Keep an eye on the trade developments. Remember that some deputy talks will happen early in the week before the high-level talks on Thursday and Friday. So anything can spark a sudden move. Probably big money is adjusting and getting out of the market ahead of Thursday. So low liquidity and high volatility could be an explosive combination.